I'm excited to talk today about one of the most useful features in the Pooli app, which is the free water report that you get after taking a test in your water. The first thing that you'll notice when you get a water report is it's tailor fit to your pool. This isn't a cookie cutter water report that you're going to get at a pool store that has, their lists of solutions and how to fix it according to their stock solutions. This has every possible solution from every store, and it's fully interactive. It's your guide and it's your roadmap to perfect pool care. So it'll give you order of operations of how to fix it, and it'll give you interactive steps along the way. Let's dive in. Now, you might be used to seeing something like this that you get at your local pool store. Helpful, but static. See how Pooli can transform this experience. After you take water tests, you'll be dropped into your water report right here. Now you can see all of the values that are outside of your test target ranges, which are tailored fit to your pool. You can tap in to any of these and it'll show you your target, your total chlorine, and a lot of really helpful details that you can go over if you're learning about some of these things. You can also add any imagery or notes at the top of your water report to keep track of what your pool's clarity can like. Let's tackle the low total chlorine problem first. You can see here it gives you alternate solutions, and these solutions can be custom based on your inventory, and you can modify those in your pool preferences. It displays your targets here, that they're not being adjusted for cyanuric acid, which you can toggle that on here if you want. It allows you to pick a solution, and these are solutions that if you're not sure about, you can tap on and you can get more info about the different chemical solutions as well as the effects they have in the pool. But right below it, you'll see you have the dosage displayed. This is how much it recommends you add to get yourself into the targets. And it shows the exact effects of adding, so you can see precisely what's going to happen to your water once you add these different values. Let's say I wanted to fix the problem with liquid chlorine. I would simply tap Add Dosage here, and it would pre-fill the amount of the recommended dosage. That's a quick way to add. You can also scroll down and go step by step through the instructions. Liquid chlorine is pretty simple to add. You just want to ensure your filter's running and pour the recommended dosage around the perimeter of your pool and then log that addition. And that brings you to the same add dosage. So let's go ahead and add the dosage. Automatically, you can see it deducts from your inventory and it notes in your history how much you just added. And that'll be great for record keeping later. It also gives you the comment that you should retest your water after an hour. So here you'll be able to adjust after retesting or scanning a test strip with Pooli's test strip scanner feature. If we back out of our water report, we'll land here in the balance tab, and you can see that the status of your latest test is highlighted here in the balance screen. And then you can see here there's a fix problem menu that will show you how to get and fix each problem. Now, tapping on My Pool, you'll also notice that your to-dos have been updated. The amount that you were to add to fix the problem was replaced by this retest, which allows you to simply check off to-dos. And you also notice in your history screen, it aggregates your chemical tests and your product additions right there, so you'll be able to see what you just added. And that's just a glimpse into the smart water report feature that you'll get by downloading Pooli. It'll transform the way you maintain your pool chemistry. So we made Pooli to enhance the pool ownership experience, not just the maintenance of it. Don't believe us? Check it out today. You can download the app for free, add any number of pools free. There is a premium version to add the test strip scanning. Thanks again for watching this video. If you liked it, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more Pooli updates. Hope to catch you around the pool. Bye.
Eliminate the need for professional pool care with Pooli. It's the world's most advanced pool and spa maintenance app. Stop feeling overwhelmed by pool care. Pooli, download the app now.